Reclaim your sacred center. If you carry life, held pain, or just need to feel whole again, this is your invitation. The YU Yoni Uplift Experience is more than a pure procedure. It's sacred restoration.
How do you feel?
Oh, I'm comfortable. As far as that area down there, the machine, I feel like the throbbing, like it's like a thumping, like pressure type, if I can say.
Using FDA cleared HIFU technology, we gently rejuvenate, tone, and realign your womb space. It's non-invasive, powerful, and rooted in ancient self-honoring. Your body has done so much. Now it's time to return home to it with care.